Okay, POW number 9 for the algebra class says the coordinates of the midpoint of a line are at 9, -13. The coordinates of the endpoint of the segment are at -4, 5. What are the coordinates of the other endpoint? And this is the one where originally the negatives weren't there, and I told you that on the first one, the 13 should have had a negative, and the 4 should have had a negative on the second ordered pair. The answer was D, and this is the way you get this one. You're going to write the midterm formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And the midterm, I meant the midpoint formula. And then the y1 plus y2 divided by 2 gives you the midpoint for the y. And you're going to plug in what you have. So I'm going to substitute in a -4 for my x. I don't have the other x. And then I divide that by 2, and I set that equal to 9 because that's what the midpoint is of the x. For the y, I plug in what I have. So 5 plus y, because the other y is my unknown, divided by 2 equals a -13. And so now I'm going to solve for my x, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And when I do that, I get 18 equals -4 plus x, and then I'm going to add a +4 to both sides. And when I do that, I get x equals 22. For my y's, up here I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, so I can get rid of that 2. And that gives me -26 equals 5 plus y. And now I'm going to subtract y from both sides. And when I do that, now y is isolated. It's all by itself. And on this side I get -31. So the answer is 22, -31.